Hi there, it's Mark DeLeese and welcome to Social Proof Notify. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how it works and going to be bringing you right in the dashboard. What this does is adds a lot of live notifications on your websites, and you can pick from a wide variety of different notifications, from a informational, like a flash sale. You can a coupon. You can put coupon codes, a live counter, how many visitors are active. You can do email collector, so you can, if you want to put them into an autoresponder or whatever. You can do latest conversions, and how many people are signing up to a newsletter, or how many people are buying a product. You can do put a video, okay, with a sign up. You can do social share notification. You can do a random review. You can also do a emoji, people to rate your website. You can do a cookie notification as well, and a score feedback. And there's also a request collector. If there's any questions, get an email, put them in your autoresponder, and so forth. And a countdown collector. Isn't that cool? With a live countdown, say for example, to launch time or a coupon code or whatever, how many more hours left, and you can have people sign up to your autoresponder as well. A lot of cool features. So I'm going to take you right into the dashboard here, and I'm just going to log in. And this is your dashboard. I don't have any campaigns running right now, and so the first thing you can do is you can see there's a couple of different buttons here, and you install script. So for example, this is the script here that you place in the head section right before the closing header tag. And this is the same code, okay? So it's one code, and you can change your settings inside the dashboard here, and it'll automatically update your website with that code. It's very, very cool. So let's go back to the dashboard, and I'm going to create a campaign, and it's going to be, for example, coupon, okay, campaign, and this is where you put your domain name. So I'm going to put it on this site right here, and you can put it on a domain or subdomain. Now, if it's a WordPress site and it redirects to a www, you can put your www there, because my site redirects to a www. So I'm going to put it right there, and so click on submit. Okay, so that's set up there. You can turn it off or on, and you can delete this campaign. Once your campaign is done, you just click on the campaign right here, and it'll bring you to your notification section. You can have multiple notifications for each campaign, and so you click on create notification. Here you can put it once again, coupon, and here's where you select which type of notification you want. So I'm going to select the coupon one, and so you can select whatever one you want, and you click on submit. So this brings you to the preview of the coupon, and so I'm going to do 10% off, so it changes live right there. And I'm going to put limited sale coupon offer right there, and you can put coupon 10%, okay? And you can put a Google URL if you want, PayPal or whatever, that's my JVZoo one, and get coupon and so forth. It'll change the different things. And you can put different icons in here. And for example, there's an icon image right here. You get a lot of free ones if you go to icons8.com. Okay, that's a free one there. And let's click on submit. Okay, and you can see here that after that's submitted, it is created. Now there's a lot of different other features that you want to do here. There's triggers. So that's the basic settings here. There's the triggers. You can do exact match. You can have it on all pages. And if I want to set that off, you can do an exact match if you want. Starts with or ends with. You can have it on specific pages or URLs. Okay, I'm going to put it on all pages in that domain. So here you can do the display trigger. This is going to be delayed by 2 seconds. You can do an exit intent, and you can do a scroll percentage. You just put percentage of the scroll. So I'm going to do a delay, say for example, 2 seconds, what have you. Okay, and display notification once per session. So it'll be like a cookie, and display on small screens if I want that to be on or off, smaller than like an iPhone. Okay, so do I want it mobile friendly, on or off? Here you can do the display duration. If you wanted to set it so that's always on, put -1. So for example, I'll just put -1, so it's always going to be on. And the display position, so top left, all the different things that you want to do. And so top or left bottom left, I'll pick. And I want to display the close button, on or off, and also do want to display the branding. So I'll display the branding as well. And then there's your customize. You can set the different colors and so forth of that, the button background and so forth. So I'll click on submit. Okay. And you'll see there that I can go to the account. Now you'll see that if I click on notification, I can do the custom branding. So for example, you can set the branding of your, if you have a certain business, that you can put the branding in the URL. If you leave it by default, then it's going to be it's going to be branding to my site here, Social Prof Notify. Now you'll see the campaign notification is turned off. Okay, and so there's the campaign list. Its campaign is on, but there's a lot of different notifications you can set up. So I'm going to now turn that on. Okay, so now you just get that little snippet of code. Click on install script. And remember, it's the same code for everything. So you just take that, and it goes in right before the end of the header section. So this is a WordPress site. So I'm going to go to the dashboard, and this is a WordPress theme that has the theme options. A lot of similar WordPress themes are the same. And I'm going to go down where it says advanced, and it says right here, space before head section. Okay, so I'm going to put that snippet of code right in there. Right there, and I'm going to come down and I'm going to click on Save Changes. There. So now I'm going to visit the site. Okay, and there's right there. See, there's a coupon code, and it shows up right there. There's the branding. You can set that up to yourself, and it's really cool. Now, what's really important here, if I go back to the dashboard and I go to the notifications, you'll see that if I do another notification and I set up let's say for example an email collector, okay, and I'll just put email. I'm just going to show you how this works. And there's a preview. Now there's another section here that says data, and here you can do a webhook URL, send caught data to external. And so all you need to do is put the webhook URL right there, and it'll automatically, put it to get response or whatever. You can also use Zapier webhook URLs to put it to any place that you want, the email address and so forth. Okay, and so it works great that way. And so that's how that works with webhooks. Or also, for example, if I come back. And if I go to the conversion counter, hit submit, you'll see that this is the conversion counter. And once again, it has the data. And for example, you can put that's the webhook trigger. So I can put that inside my JVZoo account or whatever, and it'll capture that. You can also do the auto capture data. So setting this as on will automatically detect when a form has been submitted and record that for you as well. So that's really, really cool as well. So again, that's the webhook trigger, and you can just put that inside your JVZoo account or any type of things that you want to do, and it'll call up how many conversions are happening and so forth. The same with Trafic. It also has a Trafic collector as well, and live counter, same thing. Okay, counter, same thing. And you can customize it, and it'll put how many active visitors are visiting your site right there. So there's notification URL and so forth. So it has a lot of different stats and a lot of different things that you can do. Do video. This is really cool. And again, you can turn the notification on right here, on or off, or you can delete it. Okay. And there's a video notification. And once again, you can put the YouTube URL right there, and a button for sign up. You can do triggers, what it's going to display, and the colors. Okay, so it's got a lot of different notifications that you can do, and pick whatever you want, and it works really great. And so this is the basics of the social proof Notify. Thank you.